Alright guys, we're going to try something interesting. I have two of these. They're identical every way. They've never been run yet. Stock plug, stock exhaust, intake, all that. So, this, I mounted it on the lower. We're going to take this thing, brand new piston, brand new rings, and we are going to run the correct oil gas ratio that they tell you in the manual. And we're going to run it with the complete organic oil. And we're going to run 2 full tanks through it. And then we're going to run 1 tank at the 32:1. And we're going to pull the top off of this and see what the inside looks like. Guys, here's the other one I ran correctly. I ran the break-in amount, organic oil, 2 tanks. Then switched over to synthetic oil. The last tank, pulled it, and this is where we're at. As you can see, much cleaner. Much cleaner. You don't have all that blow by and stuff. The rings formed correctly. And I didn't wide open throttle this. I only half throttled it. As you can see, everything's much smoother and cleaner in there. Even the head down in there. Not as much carbon buildup and stuff. So, anyways, this is what happens when you break it in correctly. And it stays nice and clean. The rings seal really good after you break it in, and you're good to go. So, this motor would keep running without an issue. The rings conformed to the liner in there and made a good seal. So, once you get it broken in and done correctly, it'll look like this afterwards, and you'll be cruising around for a long time.